Hello and welcome to another episode from Ken Training, where we want to train you to tackle projects like this one on your own. I have a natural gas dryer behind me. In today's video, it's going to be on how to change the drum wheels of a Samsung gas dryer. So that's what I'm going to show you in this video right now. Let's get to it. All right, the next thing we want to do is I want to show you how to change out these wheels. Now, I've got this just sitting on top of my workbench here to make it easy to demonstrate this rather than in the machine. Some people put a lubricant like a liquid wrench silicone spray inside here. I don't want to put any lubricant in there because lint is going to flow in here and I don't want anything that's going to collect lint. So right now, I know that they're working good. If I get 12 years out of these, great. Now, there is, there's a wrench that can be fit on top, but the size is not great. Now, this one here is a 3/8 inch wrench, and you can see how sloppy that is, but it does kind of grip it. I do have just this small wrench somehow I acquired. It doesn't even have the size listed. And that one also, actually, that one fits it just about perfect, really. But more practically, using something like a channel lock and gripping it is the easier way to do it, so you don't have to worry about it. And I can get plenty of leverage out of these channel locks. Let me show you the nut underneath. All right, so here is the nut underneath. Now that's a funny size. Now, if you have American wrenches, 11/16 does pretty much fit it. It's not perfect, it's a little bit of slop, but it fits it close enough. This is a combination wrench where it has an opened end and a closed end. You can use the closed end and it will grip it pretty good. If you have metric wrenches, then this wrench here, which is a 17 millimeter, will also grip it pretty close. It actually feels like it's a little bit closer than the 11/16, but I don't have that in a closed. I only have that in an open end. So we'll just use the American 11/16 inch for this job. So what we want to do, because if we just turn this, sometimes you can get it. That particular time I actually got it, but sometimes you need to hold the other side with the wrench. You have to hold this side here with the wrench while you've got the nut on the other side and you are undoing it. So sometimes you need to use the double wrench technique in order to loosen that up. And it is just a matter of pulling out the wheel, pulling it off, and then this is your brand new wheel, but if it wasn't, you would just swap it out with the brand new one. There's a couple of washers here. So this way you can have a washer on this side here. Pull that through, put your washer down, put your nut back in, and then I'll use the double wrench technique and I'll tighten that up. Now, I doubt I'll be able to do it. Oh, maybe I can. Yeah, so the whole assembly is spinning, so I have to hold the other side with my wrench in an effort to prevent it from spinning. So I'm going to hold that while I tighten this up. And there it is. Now your wheel is on there nice and tight. And we can confirm that just by spinning the wheel, making sure that everything is okay.